Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. Now before we start the analysis, if you are new to this channel, then make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification. After watching this video, if you find some values, so subscribe and like. And below the video, you will find many links. The top 4 links are for those people who wants to make money in swing trading. Okay, so the first link says swing trading on automation, so you can click on this link, then come to this page here, and then this is the the software I have created, which you can install on your chart and start your daily swing trading. Okay, so maybe I'm the first human on the planet to automate daily swing trading, so I have transferred my human knowledge into this robot, and everything is created by me. So if you want to automate the whole process of daily charts into trading, then check out the first link below which says swing trading on automation. Then second link is about join free Telegram. So make sure you connect with my free Telegram at least if you want to get some signals every now and then, or you want to stay updated. So join Telegram absolutely for free. Just below that, you have a link which says join premium signals. So in case you want to get some premium signals, you can check that out. And then check out the brokers in the prop firm right here. And make sure you join these brokers because I have been using them for last maybe 4 years and more. And they have, no issues in withdrawals, because when you are into trading, the biggest problem is if your broker will pay you the money on time or not, or if they will run away with your money. Okay, so these are those trusted brokers in the pro firms. So go and join them to start your trading journey. Subscribe, like all of that, and check out these links. As I said, top 4 links are for traders, and these below links are for affiliate marketing. If you want to make money with affiliate marketing on YouTube or other stuff. Okay, so you can check out everything. Top 4 belongs to the traders, right? And especially if you want to automate everything, then check out the first one and come to this page. Watch this video to see the results. Now subscribe, like blah blah blah. Now let's start the analysis. All right, GBPUSD analysis today. So let's start the top-down approach with the weekly time frame. Weekly, this was your hammer. Okay, so last week on Sunday, I told you we'll go up. We did not go as much I expected, but we still rejected the EMA. Okay, so coming back to daily chart, you will understand what I'm saying. So last Friday, this was it. Okay, so this was the candle when I recorded the video on Sunday. If I use my line right here, I think this is it. Okay, there you go. So we had been consolidating, you could say. Last Sunday, I told you that we will touch the EMI. Okay, so we will touch the EMI. It's just that it didn't happen this week. Okay, we are still going for the EMI. Nobody can stop the price reaching the EMI. I'm telling you again. Okay, so we will touch the EMI. Okay, that's your profit TP in GBP USD. It's just that it did not happen this week. This could happen next week. Okay, so we are still in the uptrend. For how long? Maybe until the EMA, and then go back down. Okay, we'll see. So coming back to 4 hour, we are already hovering around above the EMI. So these are rejections. That's your entry. Okay, rejection here, rejection here. Too many rejections. Last rejection came on this last Friday 4 hour candle. 1 rejection, 2 rejection, 3, 4. How many proofs or how many confluences do we need? Enter long, that's your trade. In 4 hour we are above, and in weekly I think we are just around the EMI. I think this is a downtrend, but for now we will still go until the EMI. So if you see in daily, this is your massive downtrend. The price exhausted right here. Now we need a breathing space for a couple of weeks. 1 week has passed. In next 5 days, I think we're gonna take down this EMI. Look for longs. That's it. Too much for free. I will not teach you everything here, because people are thankless. 99% people are thankless. I know it, you know it. Okay, subscribe, like, share, join Telegram, subscribe to the whatever channel. Okay, and get the software if you want, and I'll see you in my next video. So then take care.